With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. So today our question is like this. A solution of urea received from Search Research Laboratory has been marked mole fraction X and molality M at 10 degrees Celsius. It is 10 degrees Celsius, guys. While calculating its molality and mole fraction in the laboratory at 24 degrees Celsius, you will find our options are mole fraction X and molality M, mole fraction 2X and molality 2M, mole fraction X by 2 and molality M by 2, and mole fraction X and molality 2M. So this is very basic question, guys. We have molality of a urea solution and mole fraction of a urea solution at 10 degrees Celsius. It is 10 degrees Celsius as X and M, and we need to give the information about the molality and mole fraction at 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is a very basic question. First of all, what is the formula for molality? Molality formula is molality is equals to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Mass of solvent in kg. Okay, and what is the formula of mole fraction? Okay, so mole fraction of solute will be number of moles of solute divided by total moles, that is number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. Okay, so number of moles of solute divided by total moles. As you can see, molality and mole fraction is not depending on volume of the solution. Okay, as you can see, molality and mole fraction of solute is not depending on the volume. Okay, that's why this both quantity does not depend on temperature. Okay, these both quantity does not depend on temperature, because in this quantity their formula does not have volume term in their formula. Okay, molality depends on the temperature, because molarity have formula as molarity is equals to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. As you can see, molarity formula have volume term. Molarity depends on the volume of the solution. That's why this molarity depends on temperature. Those quantity which depends on volume will depend on temperature, but molality and mole fraction of solute does not have volume term in their formula, does not depend on the volume of the solution. That's why these molality and mole fraction of solute does not depend on temperature. So these quantity does not change. These quantity will not change on changing the temperature. So initially we have 10 degrees Celsius and we have mole fraction as X and molality M, and at 24 degrees Celsius we are changing the temperature, but these quantity, that is mole fraction and molality does not depend on temperature. So on changing the temperature, these quantity remains same. Okay, so molality and the mole fraction at 24 degrees Celsius will also be X and M, that is same as that of before. We have initially mole fraction as X and molality as M at 10 degrees Celsius. So at 24 degrees Celsius it will be also same, because these quantity does not depend on temperature. These quantity does not change on changing the temperature. So mole fraction and molality remain same. So option first will be the correct option. Thank you, guys.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.